guys, I'm back from a video, and I'm back with some more Subnautica. Yeah, Subnautica. And this is my survival game. Yeah. And I'm just waiting right now. So yeah. Got 2 gold. Nice for me. Computer chip. Aha! Okay, there we go. Okay, I know how to make that. Wait. Okay, so computer chip, table coral, sample. Okay, I need 2 of those. Let's go out and do that. Okay. I've already done that step. Okay, now what else do I need? Personal. No, yeah, personal. Ooh. Habitat. Okay. Now I need copper wire. Oh.
Emergency. A quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The radiation suit has been added to your blueprint database.
Primary mission lead. Oh, 1 more lead and 2 fiber mesh. How do I make fiber mesh again? Fiber mesh. Okay, that's kind of easy to make. But I was going for computer chip. Copper wire. Now I'm scared to go in the water. Because of the radiation. So that was a lot of radiation. Okay, sorry. I can get fiber mesh and I just need 1 more lead. Wait, do I have lead in here? No. Okay. Oh. What did I... Yeah, who cares? But, whew, that was a big explosion. Okay, I'm gonna wait until it's daytime, so then I can, work this out and see if there's radiation. So yeah. There shouldn't be any radiation, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think so. So, let's go into the water. Yeah, everything seems fine. So that was a pretty big explosion. Wow. Oh, was it because of this? Yep. That hurts. Like, literally. No, I'm getting rid of that. That hurt. Oh. So I need to find the sandstone. Rebreather, what? Please. Rebreather, what? Please. Oh. Yeah, I need to quickly get this.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Woo! That was close. I got my repair tool here. I can repair some of these fish. Here, people, let me repair you. How about you? Nobody wants to get repaired. My tank's going down faster. 90 seconds of oxygen. That seems less. Okay, computer chip. Copper wire. Oh, I need copper. I found copper ore. I found lots of it. Oh my gosh. I hope I just find flying ocean. Oh, bladderfish, I need some of you as well. Hey, bladderfish, where are you? Bladderfish, where are you? Whoa. I'm not lucky. Luckily. Oh, don't you dare go near. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay, that really hurts. Give me some oxygen. That could really use some right now. Better. Copper. Quartz. I need one more copper, I'm pretty sure. Hey, Stalker! It's mine! Ooh, that's pretty far. Rebreather does not work. I kid you not. Yeah. Yeah. Sick beats you have going on, game. Where did you find them? Did you make them yourself? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. La 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 Titanium. Not what I need. Oh, right here. Copper! Thank you, game. That's what I needed. I know, I swear, if a ghost Leviathan comes out of nowhere, I'm literally gonna quit this game, because me and my brother literally spent ages trying to find the dead zone, and we didn't find it. Hey, waterfish, I need ya. I need ya, so I can make some water. Because that's how you make water in this game. Okay, peepers, I need you as well. Peeper. Peeper. I need to eat you. I need to eat you. Let me grab you. I need to grab some peeps. Oh, more blood. Peeper. Come on. Why don't any of the peepers like me? I just have to cook the blindfish then. Oh my god, I actually missed that. I'm spamming the button. Oh my god. Why you guys have to be so mean? I need my water and food to survive out here. Cured food. Let's get some of that in me. Cooked food. Let's get some water. Okay. Woo!
Vital signs stabilizing.
Nice. I love me some food. Where did my bladderfish go? Did I eat it? Oh, I think I did. Fiber mesh. How do I make fiber mesh again? Who cares? I at least got that. So what was I making again? Computer chip, that's right. I was making good computer chip. So I can make a habitat builder. Ain't that smart? Let me grab some of the acid mushrooms. Just so I can make some bad. You need copper as well? Why didn't anybody tell me? Why does this game rely on copper? Okay, copper, where are you? La da da, la da da da. Well, what we need in our life. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Okay, I was looking for the things to get copper from. This. Yeet, and I got titanium. La da da. La da la la da 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 da. La di dee, la di dee, la da da. I am dumb. Ooh. Copper. Nice. Exactly what I needed.